Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the album cover trend on TikTok that you might be seeing. So first you want to go to the TikTok app, and then we're going to search for the album trend or album cover. So once you've done that, just scroll through the videos that you see and find this CapCut try this template. So once you see that, click on it. So we're going to use that template. It should direct you to the CapCut application, so make sure you have it. And it will make you choose like 5 clips for this trend or template. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just picking random videos that I find on my album. But once you have done that, just click on the preview, which is on just right next to it, and then you will have to wait for it to like process all the videos that you have chosen. And then once that all like processed, it should have the trend good to go. You can also just directly post this on TikTok by clicking the export on the top right corner. Once that exported, it should direct you again to TikTok and it will be ready for posting. So that is all for this tutorial. I hope that helps. Thank you.